You know, we're all asked to perform more, and we're all asked to do more with less. Into your mouth, not the whole kazoo, and perform! We seem to not be working together on all of this. Let's ask a couple questions. How many of you do not know which end to blow this sucker out of? How's that? Okay. How many of you people had your hands up are excited about this information? Now the second question is, how many of you have a kazoo that's broken? There's the ones too. They said, no, mine doesn't work. Those people, they did not make mine correctly. That's right. So we have to teach them how to play the kazoo. When you play the kazoo, you what? Louder! All right, you people with broken kazoos, let's hear what you say to that. It's a miracle! Organizations seem to be going off in their different directions. We can start together, and we're going to see if we can make beautiful music. Give me that opening note. Just to, oh, he stands up. Beginning! Give yourself a hand, isn't that nice? Now, what did we learn? We learned that we could play together. We learned that we had to help each other, you people who had broken kazoos. And we learned that we could do it with a little fun. Now, one thing is, you can keep the kazoos, we don't use them again. Hope you had fun.